Hello everyone. So today we will see the how to create the database and tables and how to insert the values into the table. So today I will show you in practical implementations. So don't worry, you can just watch the video till the end. So you can see this is an example. I have taken one example. So first question is create new database library and create table name is book details. Inside this book details, you want to insert some informations. You can see the tables like book ID, book name, author name, num pages and price. So you can see this is the data. So I will show you how to do step by steps. So go to the workbench. You can see here. So you can see this is a you can create database library. You can just run this. So actually I have already created. So I will show you. First of all, I need to drop database. You can see I have dropped this. So first of all, you see you just create database library. So it is successfully created. You can see here. So before working any databases, so you can use this database, use library. Database is similar like as directory. Yes. So you can see if you want to see our database is created or not, you can use show databases and run this. You can see yes, library is created here. Yeah, and these are the default databases: information schema, MySQL, performance schema, and so our database is library. So right now we will create table. So you want to create a table book detail. Inside this book detail, you want to insert some informations like book ID. So this is the actually primary key. Yeah, I will explain in the next lecture what is primary key, but book ID is always integer. Otherwise, you can put any if you are want to put varchar, you can put varchar. So book name is varchar. If you want to put any information as like name, so in syntax you can use varchar. So by default varchar is 255. Similar like author name, date type is varchar. Num pages, number of pages is always integer. Price is a float. Actually I have not inserted float values, but I will show you. You can put price like sometimes price is like $2.5 something like this. So this is our table. So you can run this create table book detail. So see here, this is successfully created. You can see right now. Select star from book detail. You can run this. So right now you don't have any information because we haven't inserted any records. So our table is created successfully. So see here, you want to insert any information inside the table, you can put insert into table name book detail. Which column you want to insert, like serially, book ID, book name, author name, num pages, price. If your sequence is changed, it will be not inserted. You will get any error. So you can see here, I insert into these are the details. I want to insert some values. Values, you can see this is 102 is the book ID, last four is the book name, author is Ramdas Swami, number of pages inside this book 504, and price of this book is 2000. Similar like this. So you can put like this. I will give you all codes into the description, so don't worry. So you can run this. Yes, our record is successfully inserted into the table we want to see. So you can run just select star from. Yes, you can see here our record is successfully inserted into the table. So this is actually today we have seen how to create the database, how to create table, how to insert the record into the database. So I think today is fine for this. If you want to see, I will show you. If you want just few columns. Then you can put manually like book ID, and I want to see only book name. And if you run this, it will show you only two columns. Yes, so that is actually beauty of SQL. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like it, then you can subscribe it. Thank you.